I mean, in 2000, the S&P 500 tech sector was selling around 60 to 70 times earnings. That's S&P tech sector. In an interest rate environment where the 10-year TIPS was over 4% positive. Have you taken a look that we hit a new all-time low on the 10-year TIPS today, less than minus 1.2%? So, I mean, yeah, you know, Tina, there is no alternative is operative in the stock market. X the FANG stocks and Tesla, 19 to 20 times earnings is not unreasonable. However, that being said, when the Fed gets serious, and I think they will at this December meeting, we're going to see some tremors if that does happen. But in the meantime, I do not think there is general revaluation of the market.
But I mean, you know that the market discounts things in advance. And as bad as the CPI read on the headline is, the S&P is down 0.25%. The
Correct.
Dow's down 58 points. Does that speak to, okay, you still got a lot of liquidity. You say, Tina, there is no alternative to U.S. Equity assets. And seasonality is on the bull side as well. And all of that, at least for the moment, trumps inflation.
It trumps inflation until Powell comes and says, you know what, it isn't temporary, it's more serious than we expected. We're going to have to speed up the taper, and we may have to speed up the rise of interest rates. Until he says those words, the market says, what me worry? I mean, with all the money flooding into the market, I mean, they can raise all these costs going up. They're pushing up the prices and getting grumbling, but very little resistance. Margins are still extremely high. It's only when the Fed gets serious that I think this market is going to take a correction. It's not